Welcome to Engage with Digital. My name is Marco, and I rock with PRISM. On behalf of the team here with PRISM Media, we want to thank you for joining us for today's episode. PRISM Media is a creative marketing agency based in Arizona. We're creative professionals who believe in the power of sharing your story. We have the expertise, the tools, and the resources to make sure that your audience hears your message and realizes the value in doing business with you. And with custom-created strategies for nearly every budget, we're ready to work with you. As a business owner, we appreciate the responsibility you have to your clients and prospects to regularly communicate. From promoting your business and brand to offering value-based resources, and even just connecting with your audience in any number of ways, you have a responsibility. And with today's unpredictable climate and circumstances we find ourselves in, it's more important than ever that your clients can see you, they can hear you, and most importantly, they can trust and rely on you and what you do. Today, we're sharing how you, the business owner, can and should use video to share your message. Our focus will be on how you can use that powerful camera you carry in your pocket to get your message out quickly and professionally. Not only to connect with your clients within minutes, but to do so in a way that reinforces the strength of your company and the brand you've worked hard to build. To make sure you're ready to record your message, there's a few things you'll need to get ready, really to think about. First, gear. Second, environment. Third, where you're going to share the video. As far as gear goes, you may have already had these items in place, but just in case, we've linked a few of our recommendations in the description of our video so you can easily order and have them ready to go. So get your cell phone ready, start thinking about the place you're comfortable filming in, and let's record. The first thing we'll need to film, of course, is your cell phone. iPhone or Android, it really doesn't matter. Most smartphones today have cameras capable of filming HD videos, so you should be good to go. The second thing you'll want to consider using is an external microphone. While the quality of the video from your phone should look just fine and professional, we recommend investing in an external microphone like this RØDE video microphone. The third item you'll want is a tripod. Something basic will do the job just fine. The fourth piece of gear you'll need is a tripod mount to hold your cell phone steady and straight while you film. And finally, consider investing in a small light that can help you capture the best video possible. Putting your gear together is easy. Simply mount your cell phone tripod adapter to your tripod. Attach your light, plug in your microphone, and you're good to go. Now let's take a look at your environment. Consider filming your video in a place that allows for natural light to help you with your shot. Using natural light to help you light your space is really a great way to make sure your shot looks professional. And in some cases, can even help you avoid having to use an external light. It's important that your background is professional as well. Make sure your background is clean and it really doesn't distract from you, the talent behind the message. Make sure you're comfortable, your camera is set to the highest recording quality, and hit record. A pro tip, always film in landscape and not in portrait mode. Since you'll most likely be sharing your messages to Facebook, YouTube, and/or LinkedIn, landscape mode is the best way to go. Also, when filming, we'd encourage you to use the rear-facing camera on your phone and not the front. Your rear-facing camera is the most powerful camera on your phone, and by using that rear-facing camera, you're more likely to look directly into the lens, and you won't be tempted to watch yourself from the main screen on your camera by using that front-facing camera. And this is critically important for your video. You're looking at the lens, nothing else. You need to make sure that your audience feels as though you're talking directly to them and not to another screen. It may take some practice, but you'll become more comfortable with it the more you film. Another pro tip, put your phone on airplane mode so you don't get interrupted with alerts, calls, or messages on your phone while you're filming. Consider watching your video back and look for opportunities to strengthen your message or delivery. Remember, practice makes perfect, and anything you'll be sharing is a direct extension of the brand you've worked hard to build. That said, if you're looking to up your production a bit, consider investing a few dollars in one of the more popular video editing apps available through both Apple's App Store and Google's Google Play Store. Now, after you've filmed your video, whether it be 30 seconds or 3 minutes, it's time to share. Upload to your preferred social media platform, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram. They all support video upload and sharing. And here's one more pro tip. Consider sharing your video via email with your customers and clients. Email is still one of the best ways to make sure you get your message to your customers and clients where they spend a lot of their time, their inbox. And that's it. That's how quickly you can share your message through the most powerful digital medium that exists today, video. We hope you found this video helpful, and we encourage you to share with friends and colleagues who could benefit from using the power of video to share their message, connect with clients and customers, and provide strength to their brand. On behalf of PRISM Media, thank you for watching as we continue to share ways to help you share your story, build your brand, and most importantly, create your future. Take care of each other, and thanks for choosing PRISM.